So hello everyone, today I have come out to the forest to get some photos of the campervan in its natural environment, shall we say. Now I'm revamping my website. I want to make it more about campervans and van life than actual just travel, because I think that's really what I want to, that's really what I enjoy doing. We enjoy going to camping, so I have come out today to try and get some decent photos, and you will see them over on richardchubb.com, and there's going to be a whole slew of information going up there soon, so keep an eye, or as quick as I can anyway, so keep an eye on the channel here and over there. And we are now going to crack on and get some nice photos of the van in the wild.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get.
So you get this impression, you get this idea of all the cool van life websites are out there, and the wicked footage they've got on the photos, and I guess some people say it's all fake and it's all false, but a lot of work goes into it. I've just been out for a few hours and I haven't got anything close. This is too close to me. I haven't got anything close to what I want. I mean, I've got a few photos and a few bits of video. I think the only thing I've accomplished is getting the van dirty, but I guess practice makes perfect. So I can't keep out looking at the little screen still. Practice makes perfect, and I will keep trying. I don't know, I'm recording this in a different setting, and hopefully I can edit the video better than I've done before. We'll see. This because I'm on a quite fast road, and I know that the microphone's not great on this camera, which is why I'm shouting. I will be slowing down soon. Perhaps I should have waited, but I guess I just wanted, I do these things and I never really finish the video. I kind of just like, sometimes I don't even put the videos out, but this one is going to go out. You're listening to it now, you're watching it now. I don't plan these videos. point of this video was to go out and get some photos of the campervan to use on the website, which I may have explained at the beginning, but didn't really explain much else after that. A couple of things worked, a couple of things didn't, and I'm also practicing trying to do filming in a different format that makes it better, not necessarily easier, better to edit. So the channel is going to be definitely more about the campervan now. I'm obviously going to be doing pictures and that wherever I go, and there will be photography related things if it is relating to travel. I have a feeling that may lose me a few subscribers, but I'm hoping it will also gain me a few, because I know a lot of people have subscribed to the photography content. Anyway, I'm rambling, I'm on my way home. Thank you for watching. If you like van life, if you like travel, please subscribe. Consider giving me a thumbs up so that I get more subscribers, because in 18 months time I am looking to have more of a full-time channel, so I've got a lot of work to do. Thank you for watching. And sorry, it won't just be a full-time channel, it'll be the website as well. So anyway, thank you for watching, have a great day. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, all the usual stuff if you would be so kind, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time.